Sigo subiendo y no voy a parar. No voy a parar. No voy a parar.
Hello guys, how you doing? This is Junior again. This time we can see Johnny is practicing with his backing, and as you may see, he is a little further out away from the spot with the setup as you normally would have to be. But again, this is a practice backing, and you can also see that if he had trucks on his passenger side, that they would come into effect as well. But remember guys, this is a practice for him. The one thing that I do tell my students is to always anticipate your moves, meaning always catch them before they happen. You always have to catch the moves before they happen. It's all about looking and visualizing what is going on and what is going to happen. Another thing you have to think about when backing is your tandem. What placement are your tandems in? Are they towards the front? Are they towards the back? That will have a lot to do with how you set up for the backing as well, and how it reacts when you're backing up also. Never feel intimidated by other truckers or feel peer pressured into not getting out and look enough whenever you're backing up. Always remember as well that you want to be looking at both mirrors as you are backing up, because in this case, Johnny is practicing, but had he had trucks on his passenger side, he would have to have a close eye on them to make sure that he wasn't going to hit them. Again, always remember that if you have to get out and look, do it. Also remember that small moves equal small corrections, okay? Anytime you oversteer, you're going to have to come back the other way again. So even if you have to stop and think about your next move, do so. Another thing is that you want to back up as much as you can to utilize all the space behind you before you pull up, because you have to think about the other trucks in front of you. You want to make sure that you have enough space in front of you to do your serpentine move or your offset to whichever side you're going to go to. On whatever backing that you guys are doing, the end result has to be a straight line backing. It's not always going to work out like that, but you always want to get it like that and always work off the driver's side as much as you can. Again guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and give me your feedback. Thank you very much.
Bitch, I wanna party like